my name is Dan Pertel. I'm one of the attorneys here at Wilson Law Group. I want to spend a few minutes to talk a little bit about gun trusts. Whether you've heard of them or not, they've become a more common way for gun owners to deal with the transfer or ownership of weapons and firearms. Our country, and specifically in Wisconsin, we have a lot of gun owners, a lot of those that use them for sporting or shooting or even self-defense, and many of them are concerned about what happens when those items are transferred either during their lifetime or after they pass away. So it's something that's becoming more and more popular. There is something called the National Firearms Act, which regulates things like, it might sound a little on the outside, but machine guns, short-barreled rifles, silencers, or what are also called suppressors, and other weapons that are fitting into a certain category that you have to apply and get a tax stamp for. So you can own those items without a gun trust, but the nice thing about having the gun trust is what we want to do is avoid at time of transfer what are called accidental felonies. An accidental felony would be that you have in your estate plan that everything goes to your children, and unfortunately one of those types of items ends up in the hands of a child that might be a felon, that might not be able to possess those items. That could cause an accidental felony within the estate. For you as the gun owner, we want to make sure that if you're allowing a friend or a colleague or someone, even a family member, to utilize that item during lifetime, you're going to the shooting range, you're going to let someone utilize it, you should have that listed as an added person, as an added beneficiary of the trust during that use period. So what we're trying to do is create privacy, so we don't have everything listed in your name with the ATF. We want to make sure that the use is going to be done in a way where we don't commit those accidental felonies, and have an overall estate plan that goes right alongside your traditional estate plan, whether it's a will or a trust, so that you can have that confidence that those types of items, as you own them in the gun trust, are going to be protected and passed on in a way that's going to be part of your legacy. So the first thing that we recommend that you do is, if you have an interest in this area, if you have items that are going to be regulated by the National Firearms Act, please reach out and contact us for a complimentary consultation. I know that there are gun shops and gun dealers that will recommend online services. One thing that I'm wary about, and I tell the people that are interested in those services about, is the fact that we have very customized language. The language we use is up to date on a regular basis. And our typical gun trust costs somewhere between about $500 and $1,000, and it depends on everything that we're doing for that client in that particular plan. But we want to give that range just so you understand that we're doing a very comprehensive gun trust plan, and that you're going to be confident knowing that the advice you receive and then what you end up having in terms of your plan works for you and your family in the long run. So please give us a call when you have a chance. Reach out through our website, give us a call, and let us know if we can find some time to sit and talk about this important topic.